Okay, so today we're looking at how to set the Roshield mouse trap. First, a bit about the trap. We've got the front bar here. This is the bait cup, and the rear bar here, which is going to clip into the catch at the back. You've got two holes here to anchor the trap down if we need to. So today we're baiting the trap with the Roshield rat and mouse attractant. Other baits you can use include peanut butter, chocolate spread. Try and match the bait to what the mice are feeding on. That'll increase the success of the baiting program. So we've deposited the bait into the cup there, and then to set the trap, we're going to push down at the back here with one of our thumbs, and the other thumb we're going to use to pull the rear bar back until it clips into the catch. You'll see the kill bar, the yellow kill bar is now set. Please keep your fingers away from the catch area at the front of the trap. To deactivate the trap, just push down on the rear bar here and gently push down on the paddle and release the kill bar until it meets the base of the trap. Don't dry fire your traps.